Hello to all of you, dear NTR TV viewer, from the History of Agriculture and Health program. Today, we will tell you about the soursop fruit. Health benefits of soursop. A native of the warm and tropical regions of the Americas, soursop is a fruit that goes by many names. Its scientific name is Annona moricata, but also goes by guanabana, pawpaw, Soursop, and Gravula. Soursop is a member of the Ananaceae family, also known as the custard apple family. The fruits, which grow on trees, are large and oval shaped. The green exterior, which has spines on it, covers the white, fibrous flesh. They grow up to 8 inches and can weigh up to 10 pounds. Soursop's flavor can best be described as a cross between mango and pineapple. Soursop has many uses in traditional medicine, and it has been used to treat a wide range of health conditions and ailments. With its strong nutrient profile, it provides a variety of health benefits. Health benefits. Soursop is high in vitamin C, an antioxidant known to boost immune health. The vitamin strengthens your immune system, improving its ability to defend against pathogens. It also promotes the destruction of free radicals, which can help to protect your skin and cells from environmental oxidative damage. One whole soursop fruit contains 215% of your recommended daily allowance of vitamin C. Soursop's the fruit and the leaves contains many other antioxidants, including phytosterols, tannins, and flavonoids. Antioxidants play a role in your overall health and may help to protect against a variety of health conditions. Other health benefits of soursop include healthy digestion. One whole soursop fruit contains around 83% of your recommended daily allowance of fiber, which is a vital nutrient for your digestive health. Fiber helps to promote regularity and prevent digestive issues such as constipation. Potential anti-carcinogenic effects. While most research is limited to test tube studies, soursop may be beneficial in helping to fight and prevent cancer. One study found that a soursop extract could reduce the size of breast cancer, tumors, and kill cancer cells. A second study found that an extract could stop the formation of leukemia cells. Fight inflammation. Antioxidants fight free radicals, reducing the damage to your cells caused by oxidative stress. One of the side effects of oxidative stress is inflammation. The antioxidant in soursop may, therefore, help to reduce inflammation in the body. Stabilizes blood pressure. High blood pressure may lead to serious issues like heart diseases and heart attack. A contributing factor to high blood pressure is sodium intake. Potassium helps your body to get rid of sodium and eases the tension in the walls of your blood vessels, both of which can help to lower your blood pressure. A whole soursop fruit offers approximately 1/3 to 1/2 of your recommended daily allowance of potassium. May fight against bacteria. Soursop may provide antibacterial effect. One study found that an extract may be able to kill many different types of bacteria, including strains that cause gum diseases and cavities. Another study found that soursop extract may help to fight cholera and staphylococcus bacteria. While these were test tube studies, the results are promising and further research is needed. Nutrition. Soursop contains many essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, vitamin C, folate, calcium, iron, potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, copper. Things to watch out for. While soursop can offer significant health benefits, it does have some potential drawbacks. Studies have shown that the fruit and tea made from the leaves may cause symptoms similar to Parkinson's disease. Studies also indicate that it may interact with high blood pressure medication, or medications for diabetes. The compounds in the fruit may strengthen the effect of such medications, causing dangerous drops in your blood pressure or blood sugar levels. You should also avoid eating soursop seeds. They have toxic compounds and may cause harmful side effects. Be sure to remove them before eating the fruit. How to eat soursop? You will likely find fresh and frozen soursops in Brazilian grocery stores. You may also find the fruit in some conventional grocery stores or online. Most soursop picked before the fruit is fully ripened. While the unripe fruit is green, it turns to a yellow-green to indicate maturity. It will also give a little when you press on it. Store unripe fruit on the counter. Once mature, you should store it in the refrigerator and use it within a few days. We have come to the end of another program. You can watch the episode you missed and want to watch again on YouTube address. Hope to see you in another program. Goodbye.